Today I'm checking out this metal detector that was sent to me at no cost so I could do this review. Let's get this thing out of the box, see everything it comes with, get it all put together, and then test it out. All right, so I got everything out of the box, and this thing has a lot more in it than I thought it did. So one thing that's cool, not only the fact that it comes in pieces like this, but it is something that can shrink down to a smaller size so it's easily stored. So I don't know if you already have a metal detector or not, but like we have one now and it's fixed. It's not, something that easily breaks down. It's a big, long, awkward device. Well, this one, you can break it down and make it really small, and it saves a lot of space, and that's good. We were planning on actually putting this in our RV. We have a metal detector at our land that we use for miscellaneous things around the farm, but we would like to have one in the RV so when we go places, sometimes we want to see what's in the ground. So this would be cool to carry with us. It comes with this carrying case. So even if you don't break it down too small, you can still put everything in this carrying case. It comes with a shoulder strap, comes with this little zip portion of the case. I mean, it's a really neat case. It comes with these headphones with a volume adjustment on it. So that's pretty cool, especially for a metal detector. You can adjust the volume because there are different modes and how loud they are on there. It even comes with this cool shovel kit that's like a shovel and a pick that folds out, and you screw it together, and now you've got a shovel and a pick. So that is really cool. This thing really comes with everything you need. It came with the two 9-volt batteries that it needs to run it. Of course, it came with the pieces to put it together. It came with spare washers, so that way if you need to put more in it, you've got them right here. A components guide, an instruction guide. This case carries this little shovel thing here. But yeah, everything that you need to get started is right here in this set. I'm going to get this all put together and we're going to try it out. So here is the metal detector in its case. This is what I meant by it folds up and it's nice and small. You got this easy carrying case. It's even got down here this little pouch that has the little shovel piece in it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this thing out and we're going to try it out in the backyard. So this is the metal detector screen here, and there's got a lot of different modes here, and you'll want to read up on all of those in the manual. They've all got their own little specific features. But I'm going to be doing the nail thing here because we're in the backyard. We had our roof done a couple years ago, and I still to this day pick up nails in the yard. So I'm going to go around the yard. You want to basically move it around like this as you're going, and that's how it's going to detect the metal that's in the ground. And you just move it back and forth. You want to do it parallel to the ground. You don't want to swing it where it's all coming off at the ends. You just want to move it back and forth parallel to the ground. And I'm going to keep doing this until I find something. All right, let's see what we got down here. We got something right there. Let me see what's there. And this is what I mean by just finding nails and stuff. I don't even know what this is. It's not a roofing nail. Maybe it came out of the wood up there. I keep finding this kind of stuff, but that's what these metal detectors are good for, is to help you find things like this in your yard. Of course, if you're a treasure hunter, you can go to beaches and parks, things like that to find stuff. But for all practical purposes, these things are great for finding pieces of metal in the yard, finding your survey points, finding rebar that was underground somewhere. I mean, things like that we do at the farm a lot, but these things are really useful for that, and this one is a really cool one. So after just scanning around the side of the house for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, I found this piece of metal. Looked like a rock. It's actually a chunk of metal, and 3 nails. So very cool. This thing comes with everything you need. It even comes with the batteries to get started. Get started on your treasure hunting with this kit. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.